In this video, I will show you how to download my neighbor Enide for free in your PC. Firstly, we need to go to itch.io website. This website has popular games like That's Not My Neighbor and Buckshot Roulette. In search, type My Neighbor Enide and click on the game. I will leave link in video description to this site. In this page, you can find all the information about the game. Scroll down to the bottom and click on Download Now button. In new pop-up, you can support game developers with donations, or you can simply click No Thanks. Just take me to Downloads and get it for free. In this page, you need to select Download besides your operation system and downloading will start. Now locate File and unzip it. Go to the folder and click on the game launcher. It looks like this game doesn't work on my Mac version. Okay, I will switch to my Windows PC. Again, I will click Download. Now File for Windows. Locate the folder, unzip it. If you can't unzip it, just download WinRAR, it's free. Now go to the folder and double-click on Game Launcher. And game is starting. It should work on Windows, Linux, and most Mac versions. I just updated to new Mac version, so it might be the problem there. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.